Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori and guess what? Today we're gonna kind of just jump right on in because I had a pretty not so good mix-up a little while ago. You might notice that part of my face looks like it's primed and the other part doesn't. Well, that's because I recorded 4 different videos of unboxings and realized that my microphone was turned off. So anyhow, let's jump right on in. Okay, so yesterday I got my IpsyGlamBagPlus and it will come to you in this pink puffy little mailer. And this month for October 2020, guess what we got? We got this cute little bag that says Your Magic on the back. It is black. It does have this little eye thing right here. Around the circle. There is lipstick, a compact, there's makeup brushes, there's the heart, the mascara wand, and so forth. I do like this bag a lot better than last month's bag. Last month's bag kind of reminded me of Santa's toy bag. That's another story. So anyhow, let's get into the stuff inside. The Glam Bag Plus is a month-to-month subscription. It is $25. You do get 5 full-size products. It's not, and you do get, I believe it is 1 choice or 2. Here is the card that you will get inside of your package. This one, however, does not have any information on the products that you received. In here is just some helpful information, but it doesn't give us a list of the products nor the price. So let's dive right on in. And in this video, because of the mix-up that happened earlier, I am going to be doing my makeup with you guys. So we're going to be trying on the products that are inside the Glam Bag Plus. First product is by Dr. Brandt, and this is the Pore Dermabrasion, which is the Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. So I'm actually excited about this because I'm having issues with my pores getting, they're real clean, they're opening up and they're being cleaned and cleansed out because I do exfoliate and I do cleanse every single day. I don't exfoliate every day, but I do cleanse every single day with a mild cleanser. But for some reason, my pores are staying wide open and they're not closing back up and I'm having issues. So when I do put product on, it seems to find a little place to settle and it doesn't look really nice at all. The next one that we have is by Half Caked, and this is a dual pack, and this is a lip product. That's right. The first one is Rich Rich, and this is a top coat. Okay, actually looks really cool. It's a real pretty top coat. I've already taken these out and tried them. So they're real pretty. Obviously because the last one already got mixed up, so I've already tried this stuff on. To go figure. And then the other one is ASAP. And this is the color right here. Very pretty color. I did like this color a lot. So this with this came in this. Next one is Jules Smith Beauty, and this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm trying to remember if this is the one I chose. I don't think it is. I actually think I know which one it was that I chose. I have to go back and look in my phone. Okay, the Jules Smith Beauty is this 5. Look at all the reflection. There we go. Has these 5 colors in them. They're real pretty, very shimmery. There's a lot. And next we have the Creme Brulee by Violet Voss. These are the fun sized palettes. It does have a nice little mirror on it. And these are our colors. And I'm not going to swatch them because I did use them earlier and I will be using them again. Actually finished off with that beautiful gold. Kind of made the look pretty cool considering. And then we got by NOMAD the Berlin Untergrund palette. Okay, and that looks the same as the cover. Has a pretty large mirror on it. product protector. Anyway, these are the colors for the NOMAD. Beautiful. I love the skull imprinted, you know, the stamp. Did you guys notice that? Look at the skull. He's got a mohawk. Seriously. It's pretty cool. So anyhow, those are all the products. I did get, as you noticed, 3 eyeshadow palettes because I didn't like the other stuff. Seriously, I did not want anything else except for palettes, and I'm so glad that I ended up making the choices that I made because, and I'm glad IPSY gave me what they gave me. So those are the 5 products that I did receive from IPSY this month in the October 2020. It's the IpsyGlamBagPlus, and I will have the entire bag value, the box value for you down at the bottom, because these are full products, full-size products. So you guys won't ever have to worry about that. I always have that information right down here at the bottom of the screen. So hang on. I'm going to go ahead and now try to put this stuff on. I'm going to use a little bit of primer. This is by Fenty Beauty, just so you know, okay? So what I'm doing right now, and that is getting my eyelid ready, even though I did put the Milani Cosmetics, the Afterglow, the oil. I am prepping my eyelid with the Fenty Beauty. Oh, what is this stuff called? Because I absolutely love it. I fell in love, and I know that when you like something and it works for you and does a great job, they discontinue it. It's this right here. And it's the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. This stuff is amazing when it comes to your eyelid. I cannot express and stress enough how amazing that product is. And I got the other Pro Filter as well in the small bottle. I got them from BoxyCharm during, I can't remember if it's add-ons or if it's pop-up. I think it was pop-up because I did get some other things with pop-up as well. I do use Beauty For Real, the MVP. This one has the concealer in the lid. And I love the little mirror. I never use it, and because this side of my face is already done, we're just going to go ahead and get this right here. Now, in the other recording, I talked about my horse accident and the right side of my face, why this lump is here, and all of the scarring that's along the side of my eye. I was in a very, very horrible horse accident back in 2003, and it caused paralysis, partial paralysis. Well, I was fully paralyzed on this entire side. You could not see a scratch on the left side of my face. The right side of my face was completely demolished and almost lost my eye, cracked all of this wide open. And like I said, you could, I mean, learning how to smile. So when I smile, you'll see this right here, but this isn't. I did use the NOMAD, the Berlin Untergrund, this palette when I first did it, and I am going to stick with what works. This palette right here, I had a hard time. The Jules Smith, this palette, it was really tough to get the product to come onto my brush. And I'm using the Hansa right now. This is the color right down here on the bottom. Goes on the brush really nice. Tap, hardly any fallout whatsoever. And I'm going to tap it in first before. Also, I tap because of I have mature skin, and the less pulling and stretching on my skin above my nose from my nose line up is the most sensitive skin, which is under your eye and your eyes. So the less pulling, stretching, and that whole thing, I'm trying to keep younger looking, my skin younger looking. Now I'm putting this right above my crease and just kind of creating where my lid falls onto it. I do that a lot just because it kind of lifts up this eyelid that has a drooping but full effect. Hard to understand that, but it does. So I go above with kind of a darker color. And it helps lift the eye up. It actually helps lift my lid up, or it looks the illusion of lifting my lid up. Next color I'm going into is called Love Parade, a little bit more in a deep purple. On this eye here, the right eye, or excuse me, the left eye, I'm able to do where I can pull the color out. You can do a wing, you can use eyeliner. The reason I don't use eyeliner is because this eye right here, with the scars being right here where the eye completely opened up, it looks like a road map. And so when you try to close and you can smooth the skin out, you can put a wing, but as soon as you relax and you start just regular moving, the eyeliner looks like a road map as well, because it eventually ends up on the scars. So I cannot use eyeliner on the top lid. I had my horse for 16 years and I competed on him and he won. He was fast. Of course I trained him as well too. What kind of riding did I do? Barrel racing. Perfect. All right, let's see what we're going to put on my eyelid. I'd love to bring some color down and under, but it is really tough. It is very tough. Usually I use this, again, another Tetris. This Love Parade purple is amazing. So I brought a little bit of that purple down, that Love Parade. This color right here, can you see that purple right there? That's what's underneath. I'm going to soften it up just a little bit. All right, you guys, that is it for the NOMAD palette. I absolutely loved its performance. I loved the formula. The colors stuck to the brushes. There was almost zero fallout from these pans right here, and I can't tell you the last time I've had a palette, except for the Pumpkin Spice by Too Faced, that didn't have, you know, that the fallout wasn't there. This is the next palette that I played with that had almost no fallout. The Pumpkin Spice was the last one I've used. So I am very happy with this palette. And I'm going to go ahead and finish off my lower lashes and some mascara, and I will be right back. Oh, and we're going to put a lip product on too, so hang on. Okay, I'm back, and I don't know if you can see, I do have the west facing, well, that's where the sun's coming in. It is setting, and it's approximately, oh, not quite 4 o'clock here on the West Coast. Now, I'm wondering if you can see some of that color. It's very pretty, and in the sun, if I could actually have you sitting right here where the camera is facing me, which would be way too bright, really tough color to work with when you're recording, you would see how beautiful the color just keeps shifting. Very pretty. I did blend out the bottom lash, and now I'm going to go ahead and see about this. This is the half caked. So this one here is the ASAP, and it does, I did like it, but I did put it over my Milani, my favorite color. Aside from loving the smell, they always smell like fresh baked sugar cookies. Now the side of my mouth on this side, my lip, is no longer even. So I deal with all of it. As you can see right here, like I don't know if I mentioned that in this video or if I can't remember everything that I pointed out. There is a difference. You can see right here when I laugh, it's easy because my muscles are, I have full control over them on this side of my face, and it's not as defined here. I have to really push to get these muscles to work. I had to exercise for several months just to pull the muscles to help the paralysis weaken and allow, you know, my facial muscles to work again. So I probably have about 15% paralysis still on this side, my right side. And you can see it. I try to work I try to work this side of my face as much as possible because they said the more you work out that muscle, the better the end result will be. All right, it dried, it's a matte, and we're gonna go ahead and put on the Rich Rich. Even though I do like a matte look a lot. Some people don't, some people do. I actually like the, you know what? I think I did a better eye job. I did a better look on my eyes this time around than I did in the recording that has no sound. So anyhow, you guys, again, this is trying on the IpsyGlamBagPlus products for October 2020. This is the look. I did use the NOMAD and the Berlin Untergrund palette. This guy right here with these gorgeous colors. And I did use one of the colors from the Creme Brulee by Violet Voss. And I did use on my lips the Half Caked ASAP and Rich Rich. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please, please, please give this one a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Sit tight, okay? Because I got to redo the Ipsy Glam bag. I'm just going to leave my face like this, so I'm not going to try anything on from that bag right there. But I'll be right back. You guys take care.